Good day everyone. So for today, ang pag-aaralan naman natin is all about yung nth term or formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence. So ano nga ulit yung formula for the nth term? So that will be a sub n equals to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. Okay. So yung ating working formula. Okay. So, bigay tayo ng mga examples wherein we can apply this formula. Okay, so let's start. So, for example number 1. Okay. So, write a formula for the nth term of the given geometric sequence. Okay. So, 8 to 1 half, 1 over 8, and 1 over 32, then that. Okay. So, ang gagawin daw natin dito is, we are asked to write a formula. Okay. So, for the nth term. So, kailangan mabigay natin yung general term. So, parang ganito yung itsura niya. No? Okay. So, the first thing we need to do is, para magamit natin siya is, first is we determine the common ratio. So, alam na natin yung pagkuha ng common ratio is dividing the second term to first term and then so on and so forth. So, 2 divided by 8, that will give you 1 over 4. 1 half divided by 2, that is also 1/4. 1/8 divided by 1 half, that is 1/4, and also 1 over 3. 32, sorry, 1 over 32 divided by 1 over 8, that is also 1/4. So, therefore, ang R natin is 1 over 4. So, kung hindi mo alam kung paano naging 1 over 4, please refer to the other tutorial kung saan na-discuss ko kung paano yung detailed na pagkuha ng common ratio. Okay? So, for the meantime, yung R natin is equals to 1/4. So, may pa ba tayong ibang parameters na available? So, meron yung a sub 1. A sub 1, according to the given, is 8. So, we can now determine yung a sub n. Okay, so that will be a sub n, that is equal to a sub 1, that is 8. R is 1 over 4 raised to n. N is n, since ano siya, nth term, so n minus 1. Okay, so meron pa ba tayong pwedeng ayusin dito? I guess wala na. So, ito na yung ating final answer. So, ayan. Ito na yung ating final answer. So, check natin, no? Kung tama. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin, mag-substitute lang tayo ng value. Okay, let's say for n is equals to 1. And palitan lang natin. So, a sub 1, that is equal to 8. 1 over 4. N is 1 minus 1. So, that will become 8. 1 over 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, that is equal to any number. Ito dapat alam nyo na rin to. So, any number raised to 0, let's say any number a raised to 0, that is always equal to 1. Okay? So, basta naka-raise sa 0, so equal lagi siya sa 1. So, ito ay automatic 1. Okay? So, therefore, 8 times 1, so the answer is 8. Okay? So, upon checking, tama naman yung ating first term. Okay? So, try natin yung a sub 4, no? Or yung, what if n equals to 4? So, a sub 4, that is equal to 8, 1 over 4. So, this time yung n mo is 4 na minus 1. So, that will be equal to 8, quantity 1 over 4 raised to 3. Okay? So, paano naman kapag ganyan, no? Yung isang fraction ay naka-raise sa isang exponent, no? So, distribute mo lang yung yung exponent. So, pwede mong sabihin na that is 8 quantity 1 raised to 3 over 4 raised to 3. Okay? So, 8 times 1 raised to 3 is 1 over 4 raised to 3 is 4 times 4. 16 times 4, that is 64. Okay? So, ayan. So, 8 times 1 is 8 over 64. So, pwede pa natin siyang pwede pa natin siyang ma-simplify. Both are divisible by 8. So, this is 1 over 8. Okay, so check natin. So, ayun, a sub 4, no? Okay. So, yung a sub 4 natin. So, upon checking, a sub 4 is equals to 1 over 8. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay, so tama yung ating formula. Okay, so next example tayo. So, for our next example, dito naman, ibibigay naman natin yung yung first 4 terms. So, example number 2. Write the first 4 terms. Write the first 4 terms of the geometric sequence. So, GS stands for geometric sequence whose general term or nth term is, okay, so ano daw yun? That is a sub n equals to 3 quantity n minus 5 raised to n minus 1. Okay. So, ito siya, no? A sub n equals to 3 quantity negative 5 raised to n minus 1. So, ang tinatanong sa atin is, isulat daw natin yung first 4 terms. Ayan. First 4 terms. So, ibig sabihin, simula tayo ng n equals to 1 to n equals to 4 since 4 terms, no? So, simulan natin. Okay, so, if n equals to 1, so magiging a sub 1, that is equal to 3 negative 5 raised to n minus 1. So, simplify, that is 3 negative 5 raised to 1 minus 1 is 0. So, any number raised to 0 is 1. So, therefore, your final answer is 3. Okay? So, okay na tayo sa n equals to 1. So, lagay natin dito. N equals to 1. So, sunod natin n equals to 2. Okay. So, a sub 2, that is equal to 3 negative 5, 2 minus 1. So, that is equal to 3 negative 5, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, any number raised to 1 is the number itself. So, that will become negative 5 pa din. No? So, 3 times negative 5, that is negative 15. Okay? So, for n equals to 3, okay, so we have a sub 3, that is equal to 3 negative 5 raised to 3 minus 1. So, it will become 3 negative 5 raised to 2. Okay? That is equal to, okay. So, ito, kailangan i-take note nyo dito na ang naka-raise lang sa 2 is yung negative 5. Okay? So, ayan. So, hindi kasama yung 3 kasi may presence ng parentheses. So, negative 5 times negative 5, that is equal to positive 25. So, 3 times 25, that is 75. Okay? So, next natin is n equals to 4. So, palitan lang natin yung n ng 4. That is equal to 3 negative 5 raised to 4 minus 1. So, that is equal to 3 negative 5 raised to 3. Okay. So, ganun din. Yung negative 5 ay naka-raise sa 3. So, ang lalabas dyan ay 3 beses mo i-multiply yung negative 5 sa sarili niya. So, therefore, dapat negative yung sagot. Okay? Kasi, odd number yung exponent, 3 siya. So, tandaan natin ito. So, tip lang. Okay. Pag yung exponent mo is an even number, so, laging positive yung sagot. Positive answer. Okay. So, kung ang exponent mo naman ay odd number, so, laging negative. Negative yung answer. Ayan. Okay, so ayun, tip ha. Pag even, yun ang patandaan siya positive. Pag odd, negative. Okay, yung exponent ang tinutukoy. Okay? So, yung exponent. Okay, so obviously negative na to. So, negative 5 times negative 5, negative 25. Times negative 5 is negative 125. Okay, times 3, that is, ilan? That is negative 300, negative 375. Oops, palit tayo kulay. So, negative 375. Okay? So, ayan na yung, yan na yung mga terms natin. So, if we're going to rewrite that, that will become 3, negative 15, 75, and negative 375. Okay? So, that's it. No? So, tama yung mga sagot natin. Okay? So, another example. So, another example is, paano kung ganito naman yung question? So, example number 3, find the, say, 10th term of the geometric sequence. Okay. 28, 14, 7, and then 3.5. Ayan. Okay. So, yan yung given natin. No? So, 28, 14, 7, and 3.5. So, ang tinatanong is yung, okay. So, ang tinatanong dito is yung 10th term. Ayan. Okay. So, we can now apply the, yun nga, yung nth term, formula for the nth term of a geometric sequence. Okay, so, that will be equal to a sub n, a sub 1, r raised to n minus 1. Okay. But before we can use this formula, kailangan muna nating alamin yung value ng r. Okay. So, r now is 14 divided by 28. Sige, sulat natin para makita nyo. So, ang r natin is 14 divided by 28, that is 1 half. Check natin kung sa iba ganun din. No? 7 over 14, okay, also 1 half. And 3.5 over 7, also 1 half. Okay, kasi kalahati ng ayan, kalahati ng 7 is 3.5. Okay? So, okay na. So, alam na natin R is 1 half. Okay? So, meron na tayong first term. So, ito yung ating A sub 1. Okay? R, meron na rin tayong R. Okay, that is 1 half. So, N, meron na din. So, ito na yon yung 10, no? So, all is set. Pwede na natin gamitin yung formula. Okay? So, A sub 10, that is equal to A sub 1 is 28. R is 1 half. N is 10 minus 1. So, that is equal to 28 1 half raised to 9. Okay, so pwedeng isulat to as 28 quantity 1 raised to 9 over 2 raised to 9. So, that is equal to 28 times what is 1 half raised to 9. So, dapat malaman mo dyan yung 2 raised to 9. No? So, what is 2 raised to 9? Okay, so that is 512. So, meaning, ang sagot natin is 1 raised to 9 is 1 over 2 raised to 9 is 512. Okay? Then, multiply it to 28. No? So, 28, that is over 512. So, our final answer is A sub 10 is equals to 7 over 128. Okay? So, that's it. That's our final answer. out natin ng smooth yung ating formula. Okay? So, I guess that's it.